Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to create a slow DNS server and set it up using Open Tunnel VPN. This method will help you browse with added security and stability. Step 1. Open your browser and search for VPN Jan site. Once on the website, you will see the home page. Step 2. Tap the menu button to view the available options from the list. Choose Free VPN and then select SSH Tunnel. Step 3. Choose a server location from the available regions. This will help you get better speed and connection stability. Step 4. Create your account by entering a username and password. Complete the CAPTCHA and tap on Create Username. Once done, you will receive your account details. Step 5. Copy the account information. Carefully, you will need it later when setting up the VPN. Step 6. Go to the Google Play Store and download the Open Tunnel VPN app once installed. Open the app. Step 7 on the home screen. You will see the option for Slow DNS. Tap on it and enter the details from the account you created earlier. Make sure everything is typed correctly. Step 8. Open the settings by tapping on the gear icon and select SSH Settings. Enter the required SSH information from your account. Details. Step 9. Return to the home screen and tap the Start button. The VPN will now connect using your Slow DNS server. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a slow DNS server with Open Tunnel VPN. Your internet connection is now more secure and private. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more tutorials. You can